Hi, friends. Are you familiar with this voice?
Catch me if you can. You're so slow.
Well, this voice is called voice cloning. It's a technology that can imitate the voices of famous people. By the way, you can watch an example of voice cloning in the previous video. Let's get started. You can open Chrome on either your phone or PC. Then go to a site called Minimax Audio. You can visit this site in the comments. You can log in using your Google account. Here, you get 10,000 credits per month for each account. On this page, you can click the Clone Your Voice pop-up to create a voice clone. Now, you have 3 free slots for voice cloning. You can use video or audio to sample your voice. Here, I used a video to sample the voice of a Digimon character, like Patamon. Make sure you check this option to agree to the content terms. Click this one and wait for the process to complete. Now, the preview results will look like this.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Okay, this is pretty similar. Then, confirm the Your Voice. Adjust the country and gender of the character and save your voice. Now, I created another voice that sounds familiar. Do you still remember the recently released series called Digimon Beat Break? Yup, one of the main characters is Tomorrow and Gekomon. So I used audio to sample Gekomon's voice. Well, this is what her voice sounds like.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Wow, it turns out her voice is really hoarse. The method is the same as I did before. Okay, I'll try text-to-speech for Patamon. I made a text like this and saw the results.
Eat nutritious food so that 19 million jobs can be filled.
It's not bad, but it's pretty good. Now I'll try Gekomon. I made a different text and saw the results.
No! This is not my real voice, so this is my cloned voice.
For me, this is much better. To save this audio, click the download icon below. Hope you guys enjoy it, and good luck! If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.